Interesting. My car randomly decided to just start downloading navigation data out of nowhere. Huh. I wonder if I'm going to get another update or just the navigation. So apparently the navigation stuff kind of just downloads on its own. Alright, so I don't know what Wi-Fi it's trying to connect to. Oh, let me try connecting to better Wi-Fi and see if that speeds it up. What? Am I not connected there? Oh, let's try it. Oh, that one. Come on. Is that gonna go faster? Why does it have a check mark, but it's also circling? That's weird. Did I break it? Did I break it? What just happened? I think I tapped too many times. No? Now it's connected. Let's see here. It shows it's downloading. Why is it going at 0? Yeah, I think I messed up. Let me turn off Wi-Fi and turn it back on. I think I broke it. Oh no, what have I done? Oh, there we go. Turn off. Turn on. Now let's connect. I'm tapping too fast for it. I don't know what's going on. There we go. Now, come on. Run the update faster. What is happening? Do the update! I don't know what happened. I broke it. I broke it. Do it. Go. Do it. I don't know what I did. Anyways, 2023.20.14566. 2327. Huh? Are we going backwards? Oh, sorry. This is the old one, 2022. So we're jumping to 2023 finally. Alright, I don't know what I did. I broke it. So I guess let's see what happens if I open the charge port. Close the charge port. And software. Update. Come on. Do your thing. Do your thing. It's broken. Okay, let me get out of my seat. And while I'm not sitting in it, close it. And let's sit back down. Wake up. Software. Come on. What happened? I broke it. Doesn't want the other Wi-Fi back. How's the other Wi-Fi better? It should be worse. What is happening? I broke it. It's not going to update now. I broke my update. I broke it. I'm going to reset. Let's push both these little buttons. Oops. Shh. Push both buttons. Oh, actually. Oh, I didn't need to do that. It's going. No, I reset it too late. It was going at 8 megabytes per second. Alright, I guess we'll wait for it to finish restarting and then we'll see. Hopefully that didn't screw up the update. I just gotta be patient. I'm not patient enough. Oh yeah, are these... Oh, the cameras are off. Well, it's probably because I reset the car. Let's see what happens. You can see even with the screen off, I can actually open the windows. Okay, it should be popping up soon. There you go. If you're wondering what that light is, my camera has a infrared light, I think. No, stop. Okay, we're not allowed to do that. I don't want some copyright strikes. Okay, software. Let's connect to that Wi-Fi. Alright, I guess download your thing. I'll just let it go. My last drive, I got 168 watt hours per mile, 200 average, Not bad, not bad. I almost got 40,000 miles on my car now. And yeah, lifetime 247 watt hours per mile. Is that the life? No, that's not the life. That's since the last trip I did. Hey, why is my camera thing not working? Let's see here, software. Is it downloading? Okay, it's downloading again, but on and off. I guess that's just how it is. It just takes a while. Alright, and what else? Oh yeah, let's go to trips. Let's see. Here's the current tires. It should actually have the full amount of miles. I reset it 500 miles in, so I messed it up. But there you go. Or about 500 miles in. But that's my total life use of the car. For driving almost 40,000 miles, burnt up over 10,000 kilowatt hours, and average 260 watt hours per mile. So yeah, that's the lifetime efficiency I've had of the car. And obviously, as you can see, it's driving more efficient now. And I don't know if that's because I have the better, more efficient wheels or wheel covers and other things or what, but I don't know. I don't think wearing out the tires more makes it better. Anyways, I'm gonna let this thing finish, and yeah, that's basically like an update gone wrong, because it ended up and I mean, it didn't go wrong, it just didn't go smoothly. if that can be considered going wrong. Alright, I don't know how much longer this download's gonna take, and I don't know, it keeps showing 8, then 0, then 8, then 0, then 8, then 0, or 8.3, then 0, if you want to be exact, but I'll let it finish, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so it looks like it just updated the navigation and nothing else, so there you can see, navigation data is now on 2023.20-14566. Alright, that's pretty much it. I don't know if that's going to be useful to anybody, but now the maps are updated. Okay, that's it. See you guys later. Bye.